Most people get fitness apps wrong by thinking they are all the same, but Tone It Up offers a unique blend of workouts, nutrition, and community designed specifically for women. Here's my honest review. Tone It Up provides guided workout programs ranging from strength training to yoga and HIIT. Each session is led by certified trainers and comes with modifications for all fitness levels. The surprising truth is how motivating the videos or the trainers actively engage with you, making it feel personal. Nutrition is another key component. Tone It Up offers meal plans, recipes, and grocery lists to complement your workouts. Many users find this combination of fitness and nutrition helps achieve results faster. Most people get this wrong by skipping the meal plans, thinking workouts alone are enough. Nutrition is half the battle. Community support is huge. There's a members-only platform where you can share progress, ask questions, and participate in challenges. This accountability can make a real difference, especially if you struggle to stay motivated at home. Pricing varies. While some content is free, the full premium experience costs around $20 per month, which includes full workout libraries, nutrition guides, and community features. If you're serious about results, the premium subscription is worth it. In conclusion, Tone It Up is ideal for women seeking a holistic approach to fitness that combines guided workouts, nutrition, and community support. It's engaging, motivating, and results-oriented. Subscribe for more honest fitness app reviews to help you find the programs that actually work.